G'day guys, Matt from Corby Sessions Australia, here today to talk about the product that I've been testing for a while now. It's a 12,000 pound winch from Dobinsons 4-wheel drive. I know it might be a little bit of a surprise, but Dobinsons don't just do springs, they actually do a whole range of your 4x4 accessories. One of the cool things about this winch is a completely wireless remote. It has an on-off switch on the side, which saves your battery. Obviously you're in and you're out, plus also a built-in light. And because the unit is completely wireless, you literally turn it on and you're good to win. In the remote itself, it has a built-in light, super handy I found at night recoveries. But it also comes with a little key holder as well for your key rings. Not that I ever use that. I just chuck it straight in the glove box. But the other thing, the unit comes with a breather on the actual winch unit itself, which runs all the way up to the top part of my bonnet. So when I submerge the bull bar or anything like that, I can be pretty confident that there's no water getting sucked into it. So that's another little handy feature that Dobinsons came up with. You can buy these online. I'll stick the link below. I'd like to thank Dobinsons for supplying us with the winch. And if anyone has any questions, post below. I'd be more than happy to answer them.